What's up, my Pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys a comparison here of the modern leather, Horween leather from the folks at Nomad. I've got a case here that was recently bought in the last 30 days, and then I've got one that I've been using for the last 365. So we wanted to show you guys what that patina looks like here over time and if your investment is worth it. What I love about Nomad here is they make such high quality products. You've got a case here that has a polycarbonate shell with TPU material around it to be able to give you that insulation and protection. That's military drop grade. With that, they do stretch and glue on a really premium, high quality Horween leather, brown or black piece that's tanned and treated to last you a long time. As you can see here, the comparison in general here has a really favorable patina, and I think it will surprise you here as it wears and tears with your active lifestyle, as well as the high quality craftsmanship that you can see. With that said, this is a sponsored video from the folks at Nomad. They did provide these to me complimentary, and I have links down below that help out the channel. With that said, this is going to show you what the difference is between the products and what you're going to get yourself into. As you can see here, you've got a couple of different options when it comes to their high quality modern leather and also their Horween leather. These two are the Horween leather. The middle here is the modern leather. You can see that the black modern leather still has the grain. It patinaed over time and it looks really good. It's got scratches, bumps, scrapes, all that good stuff. And it just looks really cool and sleek in the hand. I like that full grain leather. It's ethically sourced and it just looks great over time. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the Horween leather for the Folio. This is for the 14 Pro Max, and then obviously the newer one is the 15 Pro Max here respectively. As you can see here, I've actually already bruised up and banged up my current Horween leather for the 15 Pro Max, but you can see it's still a more recent, newer leather. The patina leather over a year here, it just looks sleek in the hand. It hasn't lost integrity here, and it's just really nice leather all the way around. Obviously, these are two different cases here, but the leather is the same and the manufacturing process is the same as well. Really high quality. You can see that this has been used and abused, and it's nice and clicky all around. Showing you here the Horween leather that's most recent. You can see the grain. You can see that it's got a really nice sheen to it, and it's got a nice finish. I left it in my backpack here, so it's got these really interesting impressions here. Those should hopefully buff out over time, but it can take a scratch, it can take a bump. You can see where it's scratched here in my pocket or on a desk. You can see it just looks really nice. I still have full function of Magsafe here, so if you wanted to run and gun, you still can. This is something that you have the option for. The Folio does have Magsafe as well, so you can still use something like this Anker battery here if you wanted to charge. You can throw it on the 15 Pro Max as well, and it charges. This is what I love about these products here. They're just so high quality. With that said, I mean, that's about it. If you guys are wondering what a 365-day patina looks like, well, go no further here. That's what this case looks like. So I think you're gonna be comforted to know that your investment is gonna go a long way. I'll have some links down below for the product pricing availability during the holidays here. They have a good deal. Make sure you check that out here. Otherwise, thanks for watching. My name's Andy. This is Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.